Mga kapatid, papatunayan ko dito ngayon na ang Christians, they are reading the Bible, but blindly, and they are following the Bible blindly. Bakit? Most popular verse, John 3:16. For God so loved the world that He gave His only Son. The word begotten on all modern translation, wala nang word salitang begotten. Yes, in the King James Version, begotten. But they eliminated the begotten because it has a connotation of sexual intercourse. Begotten. Okay? So, the only Son, in the New International Version, Jesus Christ is the only Son. This is a lie. Kasinungalingan. Si Jesu Cristo ay hindi only Son. God has sons and daughters in the Bible. Genesis chapter 6 to 7. Israel is my firstborn. Israel is my firstborn. Exodus 4:20, 23, 22, 23. Ephraim also firstborn of God. Jeremiah 31:9. David, son of God. Psalms 2 verse 7. Okay. Matthew, peacemakers are called son of God. There are so many sons of God, tons of sons of God in the Bible to say that Jesus Christ is the only Son. You believe because you are blind. You are not reading other verse from the Bible. Jesus is not the only Son. In fact, si Jesus Cristo nagsabi, sa John, sabi niya sa John 20:17, sabi niya, my Father is your Father. So what does it mean? Jesus Cristo mismo nagsabi, my Father is your Father. Touch me not, for I am not ascended into my Father, but go rather to my brethren, and tell unto them that I will ascend into my God and your God, and to my Father and your Father.